This video answers the question, how to buy shares of FTEK, Inc., a company that provides emission control and optimization technologies for power plants. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FTEK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I'm using eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After you register, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FTEK to locate the listing. Confirm you select the FTEK Inc. entry on NASDAQ to be sure it's the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent trading. Make sure the page shows FTEK Inc. and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for the link to the platform if you want to follow the same example.